There are several things you can do that will make YouTube to demonetize your channels if you are already monetized, or make YouTube not to accept your monetizations when you apply for it. Those things, one of those ways is uploading somebody else's video in the wrong way. They call it use content. Even if you download somebody else's video without adding proper commentary or adding proper editing to determine to use content, or you are found a victim of using somebody else's music as a background music, they will call it a use content and they will get your channel demonetized or even shadow banned. In this particular course, I'm going to explain to you what a use content is, how to identify a use content, and what to do if your channel is found victim of a use content. Then a use content is a process whereby you got a video from somebody else's channel on YouTube or other platforms and upload it in your channel as your own without adding proper commentary or editing to those things. Are telling what use content. Even if that particular video belongs to you and you add somebody else's copyrighted music as a background music, they are going to term it as what? As a use content, and it can get your channel, make your channel to be demonetized if you are monetized, or still make your channel they will not accept your monetizations anytime you apply for monetizations. Then one way to identify a use content is if you download those music from other social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and the rest, and upload it in your channel as your own. They are going to identify that you got it from somebody else platform, that is not from your words, not your creativity, and they will term it as a use content. Those things is definitely going to affect your channel. Then the second way is if you are found a victim of maybe using somebody else copyrighted music as a background music while doing your own video, they will still identify it as a use content. And even if you cut somebody else's video, for instance, if you cut somebody else's long video and cut it into shorts and upload it as short in your channel, they will still identify that this particular video does not belong to you. If you want to upload somebody else's video in your channel, there are some legit ways you can do this without YouTube banning your channel or demonetizing you. Then one way to do it is adding commentary to those videos. If it is a long video, for instance, if it's a 5-minute video, after the first 5 minutes, what you are going to do is this: pause that particular video, show your face, show yourself, use your own voice, and add a commentary to that particular word, that particular video. Those ones you have listings to, then add your own voice to it. Make YouTube see your face, add your creativity, design that particular interface, and add your face. You can put that particular video by the side, then your own face and your own voice also by the side, while pausing that particular music or pausing that particular video, not music. But if you play all those songs throughout, all those videos throughout without adding your own commentary, they will now term it as a use content and they will ban your channel. The secondary is to add a reaction videos. Reaction video is almost the same thing as adding a commentary. You must also add your own voice, add your own videos, add your own quota to what that person is saying. You can get somebody else's video, then post that particular video, describe what is the person has been said in your own voice. You can even repeat what the person said, or find a way and explain what you understood from what the person said in that particular video and upload it in your channel. Do you understand perfectly fine that you are adding a reaction to somebody else's work, not your original work? But if you upload those videos as original work, they will now understand that maybe you want to use somebody's creativity and shine in their platform, and they will be against you. You can basically post that particular video, understand what that person is saying, and upload it in your channel. You can even add caption to it, add text to speech to it, understand, add a voiceover, add your voiceover, add whatever you want to add to it, and upload it. But make sure those things you are adding are not copyrighted. In as much as they are copyrighted, they are going to get your channel demonetized. In as much as you got those clips, those snippets, if you're adding a picture, you got a copyrighted images from somewhere and paste it in your video, they are still going to get your channel demonetized because of those copyrighted images. Before you add a footage to your video, make sure that particular footage is not copyrighted. Make sure that particular video is not copyrighted, and make sure that particular music you are adding as a background song is not copyrighted. If you want to get a proper music for your song, go to YouTube Studio. Those places you can find your songs. Go there and download those songs and use it in as a background music, or get songs that are not actually copyrighted and add as a background music. If you use somebody else copyrighted song, you're going to get your channel demonetized or not accept your applications whenever you apply for monetizations. Then there are some things you can do to add on those particular videos. One thing is showing your face. In as much as you are showing your face on that particular video, they will now see that this person is showing your face, and they will not shadow ban your channel. But if you're uploading it that particular way you downloaded it, they're still going to demonetize your channel. Then shows your face, use on your own voice, use your own words and describe what happened in that particular video. Those are the ways to show your reactions. Then edit healthily. If you want to edit, make sure that your editing is very healthy. You can put that particular reaction video by the side, then your own video by the side. When you are describing what that person said, post that particular video by the side and play your own. Once you are now playing your own, now they now understand that this person edited this is not your own video. This is what that person is saying, and this is also what you are saying. Edit healthily. If you do not edit very well, they are still going to turn it as use content, and make sure you add commentary. Add commentary to everything you are saying. Whatever that person said in their own video, you can post them and add your own commentary. Add your editing. Add your voice to text. Make sure you translate properly. That they will now understand that you are now adding commentary to what that person said. Do not upload the entire clips. Is another thing. Never upload the entire clips. If that particular video you are adding commentary on is, for instance, 10 minutes, cut 5 minutes and add commentary. Edit that particular 5 video as your own. If you add all of those videos without adding commentary, they are still going to term it as a background term it as a copyrighted music, or you use content and shadow ban your channel. There are some things you can do when your channel has found victim of all those things. What you're going to do is this. Then go to that particular copyrighted items. Those the terms copyrighted or reuse content. Delete that particular video in as much as you are seeing it in your dashboard. If you're uploading your content, use YouTube Studio and upload your videos. In as much as you're uploading those videos, they are going to identify that this particular content is copyrighted or is a reuse content. From there you can delete it. But if you upload straight from YouTube app, there's no way they can identify that, and they are going to term it as a reuse content. Upload from YouTube Studio so that they can process that particular content and give you your result before you upload. Once they have identified what music, if you have mistakenly uploaded it in the wrong way, then delete that music as soon as possible. Delete that video as soon as possible and apply for monetization maybe after 30 days. They are still going to review what you've done and make sure the subsequent ones you're uploading is healthy. Understand? But you are found a victim of uploading reuse content or uploading copyrighted music, they are going to shadow ban your channel. But if you have done these things once and they have warned you, then delete those videos after 30 days. Then you apply for monetizations and make sure the other ones you're uploading subsequently is healthy of those reuse content and copyright issues.